want to see if we can find the old-time Jamaican. You know that sweet, sweet Jamaican. Sweet, sweet Jamaican, no left ya. Hockey and me saltfish,
we not left ya.
Breadfruit and banana,
we not left ya.
Coconut and round,
we not left ya.
No left for ya, nah left ya. Come on, no left for ya, nah left ya. Blue Mountain Peak, nah left ya. Cool breeze make me sleep, nah left ya. Need me flour dumpling.
Hello everyone, we're here at the Independence Village at the National Arena where we have lots of stalls with craft items, delicious food and lots of games for the children.
Nah left ya. If we ever go to Africa, nah left ya. Come on.
And how can we forget the Independence Kiddies Village, which had a host of games and rides for children and grandchildren?
It's fun. I am out here with my grandson, my daughter, my son-in-law, and I'm enjoying it.
We're enjoying ourselves, and I just brought my son here, and we just had a train ride. It was fun. I know they're not used to having this experience anymore, so a little model of it is really good, and I think the whole celebration is just an awesome day.
And now we bring you highlights of the most anticipated celebratory event, the Grand Gala, right here at National Stadium in Kingston, and for the second time at the Dump Up Beach in Montego Bay.
Let me start that one here. Like how Martin Luther King would have started. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most I in me sleep when me sleep. Tell you my goal, my goal, my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life, put it on me headstone. Nobody no fi cry over me dead. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now.
It's an amazing experience. I love it. It's my second time and it's getting better everywhere.
All these dancers on the field, they're drawn from about 20 communities, the corporate area and the place of St. Catherine. None of these youngsters never danced before, but we had workshops and classes where they all learned to dance. So at the end of all of this, they would have benefited. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy, whenever I fall, you lift me up, glory to thee.
Overall, I would say that the events this year have been well supported, and I thank Jamaica for coming out and supporting us.
When I look and see the outpour of people that is coming out, that is to show you, regardless of our challenges, we are still happy and we are still a united.